all remember this, right? When the Barbie movie came out and girls are getting dressed up for the Barbie movie, it was like all the Oasis heads going, oh, you're dressing up as Barbie to go to the Barbie movie.
Pathetic.
Sad. You wouldn't catch me doing that in 20. You would never do that. And here they are.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Yes,
like, I still don't have a ticket, but I have my rig out, ready to go. Like, I went to see Liam in the 3 Arena last year, and it's magical. There is something about this music and these songs that connect everybody. I know there's other things and there's more important things, but this is going to be pretty special when this thing comes to town.
Like, it's going to be
a homecoming.
Incredible.
It's Britpop, but these are 2 Irish lads who are unashamedly, we don't support the English football team, we're Irish. They say it at every turn. So it is a bit of a homecoming in the same way.
They'll have to bring Peggy out. You have to bring Peggy out on stage, the Irish Mammy.
Instrumental in getting it back together. I did a reel at the time that said, I bet she had a hand in this. And of course she did.
Yeah.
You two need to get over whatever this nonsense is.
Did you throw a plum at your brother?
You're as bad yourself. Do not put the blame on him. You're at it as well.
There's a Perry in it.
There's the Perry in it. Now, sort it out.
There's millions upon
There's
millions
millions
on the
in
line.
it.
That's dynamic and pricey. That's